Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got the update for the S20 Galaxy S20 Plus. So let us see the download and installation process, and later we will discuss the what are the improvements they have included in this update. So see here they have improved performance, camera. So the security of the device has also been improved. So in this update they have included these two. So the size of this one is 526.23 MB. Security patch level is 1st March 2021. So the version is first. So just click on download. So it will take some time to download the update. Once the update is downloaded, we will install the update, and later we will see the what are the improvements they have included in this update. See, just 2 minutes it will take. So the size of this one is 526.23 MB. So it will take only 2 minutes to download it, because based on the data connection and the speed, so the update will be downloaded according to that. So wait until the downloading update is completed. See, almost completed. So only 50 seconds is there. See, almost is completed, only 15 seconds is remaining. So wait 15 seconds. So actually, according to the promise given by the Samsung, they will roll out the updates for their top end models every month. So now the update is ready. So click on install now. So see, Android is preparing to update, Android system update. Processing the update package 17%, 8, 90, 100%. Yeah. Now the mobile gets restarted to install the update. So during the installation, the mobile will get restarted more times, that is more than one time. So don't panic. So it is a normal process. So now the update process begins. See the Android logo. 125% is completed. So we will wait until the 100% is completed, and then the update is optimized according to the apps available on your device. So once optimization is completed, then the device will get restart and logging into the normal home screen. So then the update process is completed. See, now 34% is completed. Wait until the update is completed. See, 42% is completed. See, 62% is completed. So it will take some time, that is 3 to 5 minutes it will take to complete the installation process. So let us wait until the update is completed. So don't cancel the update during the update. So if you do like this, your handset will be get freezed. See, 99 is almost 100 completed. So the mobile gets restarted. So you can see the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus secured by the locks, powered by the Android. So actually now the Android running is Android 11. So based on the One UI 3.1. Now they have rolled out the March security patch 2021. So now installation process. Now the mobile will get optimized according to the update installed. See, optimization doing. Here you will find it. See, optimizing apps 23 of or 69. So it will take some few seconds to few minutes. So let us wait until the phone is updating. See, optimizing apps. So until optimization done, you have to wait it. See, almost 250, 260, 270 high performance mobile. It will get fastly. 370 almost done. So 469. So almost done. 459, 460, 61, 62, 60, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9. So almost done. See, now the optimizing storage is doing. So once optimizing storage is done, now the update process is completed. See, the update process is completed. See, now the update process is good. So see the finishing system update. We'll see, find it, finishing system update. Once the finishing system update is completed, it will get the pop-up message that is your system is up to date, your system has been updated. Like that, you will get a pop-up message once the finishing system update is over. See, the bar is showing here. Yeah, see, finishing system update is over. See, your phone has been updated. So like that, you will get the message. See, your phone has been updated. Like this, you will get message. Once your phone is get updated, just go to the about phone, then software information. You will see here Android 11 3.1. Here find it security patch level 1st March 2021. So it is the latest update rolled out by the Samsung. So like this, I will upload lot more videos about technology, tips and tricks, and many more videos. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. To get the notifications of the newly uploaded videos, please click on the bell icon so that you will get the newly uploaded videos. Thank you for watching my video. Keep signing off. Tech Bossy.